Alright guys, welcome back, and I'm back as well. Last Friday I guess we didn't have a video because it was very busy in the office. We couldn't have time to record it, but today and yesterday, you know, we had the holiday in Australia, the long weekend, sorry. We had the long weekend in Australia, so you guys didn't have a video as well because most of the office was out. But we're back and it's a new month. We just started, you know, now it's summertime. So it's summertime, springtime, I don't know. I know that my clock went 1 hour ahead when it was before. And to start the month of October with the right foot, we're already gonna have the webinar tonight at 6 to 7 p.m. on Sydney time, right? We're still the same. We're still 6 to 7, even with the time difference, we're still exactly the same, right? So just now pay attention, because if you are out of Australia, it can be 1 hour ahead or 1 hour before what it was usually on your time set, on your time zone. So just have a look on that. But tonight we're gonna have my webinar same time for Sydney time and Australian time, so it will be 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. all right? It's free, out of charges, zero charges, but for that you have to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, and then get the registration link on the comments, or probably on the subject of this video, somewhere around here or there. Dave will put it up for you guys, and if you can't find it any way, just comment and we will try to get the link for you. All right guys, so today, for those who don't know me, my name is Luca Santos. I'm the technical market analyst here at ACY Securities, the best broker you can have. Yes, I believe that we are the best broker you can have, because there's a lot of things. I don't want to get into this merit right now, but let's go for what I'm here for. The RBA, the Reserve Bank of Australia, did exactly the same what I was talking to you guys last week on Tuesday. Remember that? You probably do, or maybe you don't. But if you don't remember, or if you want to watch, come back to our channel, click on our channel and have a look on the videos we've published last week. All right, so I have the red statement on my hands. This is from the RBA. Easy to get, just type it up on Google, Reserve Bank of Australia, or just RBA rate statement, and then you can put it up to date, or you just click enter, first link, it's going to be there, it will be 3 of October, and then you just read it. But you don't have to do that, because I'm going to do the hard work for you on interpret and do all the analysis. All right, first line, first two lines, they say, as at its meeting today, the board decided to leave the cash rate target unchanged at 4.10. First of all, they left the rates unchanged at 4.10%. That means that they haven't hiked and they haven't cut. So they have left the rates as it is for the fifth time or fourth time. I'm not too sure. So it would be fourth or fifth time. All right. What does that mean is that they are taking, it doesn't, they explain in the end here, right? But I'm gonna talk, in my opinion, they are being sort of neutral to dovish to the monetary policy right now. And they go on, and the interest rates paid on exchange settlements balances unchanged at 4%. Interest rates have been increased by 4% points since May last year. Right, so they state that yes, they have been raising interest rates since May then last year, and the interest rates have been on a high since May last year. The higher interest rates are working to establish a more sustainable balance between supply and demand in the economy, and will continue to do so. So that means that they are not planning to cut rates anytime sooner, because this is working the way they want, and will continue to work for some time, as they say here. Sustainable balance between supply and demand, and the economy will continue to do so. In light of this and the uncertainty surrounding the economy outlook, the board again decided to hold interest rates steady this month. This will provide further time to assess the impact of the increases in interest rates to date and the economic outlook. Let's pause here on these two lines. This will provide further time, so they want more time, to what? To assess the impact of the increase on the rates that they have done to date and the economic outlook. So they need more time before they do anything. So they need more time. They need, they need maybe another month, another quarter, let's say, another 2 quarters, so 3 months, 6 months, to see what they have to do, and then they will, do some analysis on the economic outlook. That's what they say, and then as well they need to do the analysis on how the rates that they have been raising 6 months ago have been impacting the economy now. Because it doesn't work like that. I'm going to raise the rates now and tomorrow it will be felt on the economy. No, it doesn't work like that. I'm going to raise the rates today and we'll have maybe 3 to 4 to 6 months, depending on the economy, to feel the rates, so the society feel the rates. All right, so then the bread will go up, the milk will go up, the householding spendings will reduce, and so on, so on. They even state that the growth in the Australian was a little stronger than expected over the first half of the year. But the economy is still experiencing a period of below trend growth, and this is expected to continue for a while. All right, so they are expecting the economy to have a below growth average, let's say, for a while. Okay, now, if you want to know the full analysis, the full breakdown, this was only 2 paragraphs. Right, there's much more to touch about on this monetary policy committee that they have this minute, and there are so much important things that you can't negligence these things without going to the market without these. So if you want to know the rest of the analysis, go to my seminar tonight, my webinar tonight, 6 to 7. I will be there explaining the full breakdown on my AUDUSD trade that have been mentioned these already 4 weeks, all right, already 4 weeks. And if you have been on my webinar, you know why I'm shorting the Australian dollar against stronger currencies. You want to know what are those stronger currencies? I'm going to tell you on my webinar tonight. So put it up on your calendar, 6 to 7 today, 3 of October, Tuesday on Sydney. We're going to be doing my webinar, and I see you there. All right, so please guys, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friend. Maybe he or she likes to trade and wants some knowledge on the RBA. This is the perfect video. All right, have everyone a great trading week ahead, and I see you in the next video.